Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to talk about the navigation options in Dash. In Tableau, the navigation option in dashboard provides an intuitive and interactive way to explore and interact with your data visualization. With the navigation options, you can create but actions or filters that enable your dash seamlessly move between different dashboard sheets or stories, which focuses on specific data points, trigger specific actions, and within the dash. This feature enhances the user experience by making it easier to explore the data without cluttering the dash too much information. By strategically placing these navigation elements, you can guide your users through a cohesive data driven, allowing them to uncover the insights, answer the questions, and make data driven decisions. Whether it's drilling down into the details, comparing different scenarios, or switching between different dashboards, the navigation option in Tableau empowers create a dynamic, user friendly, and highly informative data experience for your audience. So we will go to the Tableau screen and see how can we create these navigations in Tableau. Over here in my Tableau screen, I have created two dashboards. The first one is this dashboard one and the second one is this dashboard. Now let's say I want to navigate between these two dashboards and I want to create two buttons. Over here, I need to create a button which can take me to the dashboard 2, and in the dashboard 2, I need to create a button which can take me to the previous dashboard, that is dash. Or let's say if you want to switch between multiple sheets and you want to add some element over here in the dashboards which can help you navigate between different sheets. Well, how would you do it? For that, you need to go in the empty space of your dash. Let's say over here, instead of this image, I will just remove, and over here I will choose the option to add this navigation in the floating option. I will choose floating first and then I will use this navigation option. Now you can see it has already created a button. For to use this, what I'll do is I will click on it two times. So I'll basically double click it, and over here it would ask me where do you want to navigate. Over here right now the option is selected as none. So instead of none, what I'll do is right now I'm on dashboard 1, so I want to navigate to dashboard 2. So for that I'll select dashboard 2 option, click on OK, and if you just click on it by pressing the alt option, you can see that I can easily go to the dash. I will again go to dashboard 1. I will double click on this and I will again get the option to edit this particular button. Right now we have talked about this navigate to option, which basically helps us to identify the place wherever you want to navigate. So over here I have these multiple options and you can see that I can go to dashboard 1, I can go to sheet 1, or I can go to sheet 6 also. So there are all the sheet options that are over here. I have this title options. Whatever title you want to provide it to the button, you can do it. So let's say in the place of navigation I want to write the next dashboard. So over here I will write as next button. In the font option over here, instead of Tableau board, I can select any other kind of font. Let's say I'm choosing this yellow color font now, and I'm choosing the font type as the Times New Roman. So I have to search for Times New Roman. I can increase or decrease the text size from over here. And if you want to apply any kind of background over here, you can do it with the help of this background option. You can also apply some borders on the top of it. For example, let's say if you want to provide these dotted borders over here. So you can provide these dotted borders instead of this plain border or no borders. If you want to increase or decrease the thickness of this border, you can do it with the help of these options. So I will choose the thickness right now, and you can provide any option on the tooltip as well. So let's say if you want to tell the user that to go to the next dashboard, click here. So I will write as click here to go to next dash. After doing it, all need to do is, so after doing this, what I need to do is I just need to click on apply. And over here, you can see now this button has appeared. You can also see there is this dotted line which is showing to me as a border. So whenever I'm hovering over on it, it is showing me that border line, and the background color has also now been changed. So now whenever I need to go to the next dashboard, all I need to do is come over here, press alt and click on this button, and then it would take me to the next dashboard. Again, in this part, if you want to create a button which can take you to the previous dashboard, you can choose the floating option. You can drag this navigation option over here, double click on it and choose the dashboard 1 in the navigate to option. Over here in the title, you can put the title as previous. You can apply an border. You can change the text type from over here. You can change the text color from over here. You can put any tooltip over here, and there is one more option. So if you don't want to show the button type as the text, you can also insert any image from over here. So let's say if you are having multiple images and each image represents a different dashboard, so you can choose an image from over here. That image would act as an indicator of that particular button. Right now I'm keeping the button style as text only, and over here in the title I'm again giving it as previous. I'll click on apply and OK. So if I press alt and click on this, it would take me to the previous dashboard. So now I have two buttons. One is to go to the next dashboard and the other one is to go to the previous dashboard. I can also make multiple buttons over here which can take you to individual sheets. So in this way, you can create these navigation options in Tableau. I hope this was clear to you. So this was all about the Tableau dashboard elements, basically the objects. From the next session, we will be starting the Tableau graph.